The loudest people about money usually have the least of it, and the ones quietly building real wealth? They tend to live by rules that are 2,000 years old. Here are 3 Stoic habits that quietly build wealth. No hype, no get-rich-quick, just what actually works. I'm Aurel. This isn't financial advice, it's something more durable, the mindset underneath it. Habit 1, want less before you earn more. Seneca was one of the wealthiest men in Rome, and his advice was to practice, on purpose, living with little. Why? Because a man who needs less can never be controlled by money or by the fear of losing it. Most people get a raise and inflate their life to match. The quietly wealthy do the opposite. They let the gap between what they earn and what they need grow. That gap is where freedom lives. Habit 2 is the one almost nobody has the patience for. Habit 2, play the long game while everyone else chases the quick one. The Stoics measured a life in decades, not weekends. Wealth built slowly, through patience, through boring consistency, is wealth that lasts. Wealth built on a frenzy usually leaves the same way. Marcus reminded himself daily to do the next right thing and let time compound it. Money is the same. The unglamorous deposit, repeated for years, quietly beats the lottery ticket every single time. Habit 3, separate your worth from your net worth. Here is the trap. When your identity rides on a number, every dip in that number feels like a threat to you. You make panicked decisions. The Stoic keeps them separate. Your character is yours. Your bank balance is an external thing, useful, but not you. And the person who doesn't need money to feel worthy makes the calmest, clearest, and often the best decisions with it. Want less, play long, and never let a number decide your worth. That's how quiet wealth is actually built. If this resonated, subscribe. We turn ancient wisdom into a calmer, stronger life every week. And the link in the description is where I'd start. See you in the next one.